Good morning. Yes, the city of joy. Heading off to Kali Mandir. How you guys doing? And it's raining. It's raining and it's raining. This is umbrella wonderful. Let's go catch our bus. Start on with the day. Then catch on with Richa and Akash. So we go check out the metro. This is another way to travel around Kolkata. 10 rupees token, and that takes you off, beats all the traffic in Kolkata. So we are in the oldest metro of India. It goes way back before the Delhi and the Mumbai and the Bangalore had metros. This metro is gonna also have an underwater crossing on the Hooghly River. That's gonna start in next year. We have reached Kali Ghat and now we go to the most famous temple of Kolkata. So we have arrived at the Kali Ghat temple. There are about 4 gates and let's go inside and let's just see if they let us record in there. So that's a pretty big line and let's just get in. Gonna take about like half an hour I guess. To the Kali Ghat Mandir. You see that? I'm standing on the Ganga river. This is where the Kali Ghat Mandir is, which is right behind me. It's that dirty. And this is it. The faith still prevails. Whether it's the old Kolkata or the new Kolkata, the new town, you do visit the Park Street. It's got this famous Biswa Bangla. And you would definitely pass by the Oxford bookstore. Flurries, the well-known bakery, I guess. It says fine confection since 1927. Go have a look. Hi Vikas, right?
Hi. Yeah.
Yes, please. Can you tell me what's famous here at Flurries?
Yeah, well, so welcome first of all. And Flurries is a 90-year-old organization, in fact 93 years old. And we are well known for our heritage products, which are products which have been made in Flurries for the last 50 years or more. So you have things that you will not find anywhere else.
Okay.
For example, our baba cakes.
Alright.
Or we have almond cheese tarts. We have something called financiers.
Okay.
These are the cube pastries, which are very popular. So they're basically a cube.
Alright.
And then we have chocolate boats, we have Silvana, we have lemon tart,
Okay.
we have rum balls. we are said to have invented rum balls. I never deny that. You know, I try not to argue with that. I'd also like you to know about the modern things that we're also doing. They are you know, very high-end chocolates which we make from French chocolates.
Alright.
And then something else I'd like you to see, chocolates that we've made. We'll be displaying these now. They are extremely you know, top of the line international contemporary chocolates which you'll find anywhere in the world.
Okay.
So these are something that we do. They're called ruby chocolates.
Okay.
Ruby is the 4th kind of chocolate which has been discovered really after milk, dark and white. This is something called gold chocolate, and you know, we have various varieties of it. We've also done a lot of other cakes and stuff which will come now. So we'll be kind of doing all that. But anybody who comes for the first time to Flurries, they always come with a recommendation of trying something which is heritage to us.
Yes.
So depending on how sweet you like it to be, we have rum balls, which is on one extreme of sweetness, and then we have things like baba cake and other dry pastries, which are not so sweet.
So I managed to get myself strawberry cube. It's a cube size. Let's just go dig into this. Wow.
You'll either find it here or in France.
France to Kolkata, only at Flurries, you know. It's so delicious that I had my own personal takeaway done. Take Flurries. It's cute. It's amazing. It's delicious. And do try Flurries. I've been doing it for like 93 years. Hi. So I tried to capture the Victoria Memorial, but I'm pretty late. The gates are closed. So that's it. Please do visit. I'll try to come tomorrow. Yo, good morning. It's gonna be a great day. It's cloudy and I'm really hungry. And I've heard about this beautiful bakery, in fact delicious bakery called the Korean Bakery. Let's go check that out. It is closed. It opens at about 10:30 a.m. Kolkata starts really slow and late. Called the King's Bakery. I've just got this and let's go check the next things out. So we came last night and we were told that it was shut down, but here we are early morning at Victoria's Memorial. We're just gonna go in and get a better look at it. We're gonna go inside and check it out. A ticket for 30 rupees, and it's got museum and garden. A lot of history involved in that. The East India Company, the British coming to India, Kolkata being the capital. So we are inside the Victoria's Memorial, and it's really beautiful. If you look around, it is amazing. It's got this beautiful painting, a lot of history to be shared. Yep, that was a beautiful visit. Got a little bit of the history, and now I'm heading back to my host place, running off to the new place. Some party, Yeah, it's beautiful parks to visit here, Kolkata. Okay, so we are off to the most delicious bakery in Kolkata. We have an overexcited person walking in front of us. Manse, let's just go to King's Bakery. Yes, we're gonna get a sausage bread. It is very delicioso. So got myself a sausage bread and a cream coup, something. Good like that. Lot of takeaway, and off to a boat party now. So the boat is leaving, and we're gonna go check that out before it takes away. We're gonna go get on top of that and try to catch the sunset. Got all the music down there. The sun's gone, but the moonlight's gonna be there, so the moon up. Thank you. Hello. Yep, we're on the boat, and we're just waiting for our buddies to come out, and we head into the Howrah Bridge with some good music, some good vibes, some great food. So we are on the banks of Ganga River, where there's this beautiful cruise, where they have set up this amazing party with food, beverages, and a lot of people. That's a Kolkata bartender trying to put some lights in your drinks, and she has a smile while she puts it on. Jai Saman! Wow, that was some great thing. That was amazing. Time to be ready for this beautiful ferry. Gotta go catch my train to Pushkar. Gotta capture Holi. I'm on my bike and heading to the railway station. And the streets are very quiet. Reason being, it's Holi, the festival of colors. Whoops.